my favorite quick fixes for dinner is spicy coconut salmon. So I have my salmon here already clean. I have some chili, I split it into halves. I have some red bell pepper, some mushrooms, some French beans, some coconut milk, and some condiments. So usually for my salmon, I'll use butter, but now I'm using olive oil and it already has garlic in it. So this is garlic infused olive oil. So I'm adding about 2 tablespoons of that in my pan. So now my oil is hot. What I'm gonna do is to place my salmon skin side down in the pan like that. Grab a tablespoon. So what I'm gonna do is to baste it. So this basting process will cook the top part and the sides because I'm not gonna cook both sides. I'm just cooking the skin side just to have it crispy. Then I proceed. Now it's ready. What I'm gonna do is to turn off the heat. Grab this and carefully place it like that. Look at that. Can you hear that? It means it's crispy. Okay, perfect. This looks gorgeous, by the way. So what I'm gonna do next is to reduce the oil. Let me just do this. Faster the better. Okay. So with my oil in the pan, just like a little of it. So I'm gonna add my mushroom. Give it a quick stir. Then I throw in my beans. So the good thing about this pan is it has all the flavor of the fish. So it's like a good base, you know. Now I'm gonna add my chili. I'm gonna let this go for about 2 minutes, then I add my coconut milk. So for now, whilst my fish is resting, what I'm gonna do is to add some salt. Okay, that's about it. So the heat will just melt and let the salt sink into the fish. So there's no need adding salt from scratch. Okay, so now this is smelling good. Next process is to add my coconut milk. So this is about 1 cup coconut milk. And you can either do it at home or you can buy the ones in the can. So there's some good brands out there where you can get like delicious coconut milk. This is looking good. Okay, great. So what I'm gonna do is to add some paprika. So it's actually smoked paprika, so it's gonna add some flavor and some smokiness to the coconut milk. So I'm gonna let this simmer and thicken, okay? So it's gonna be like a little bit thicker than this consistency here. So it pairs perfectly with my salmon. So my sauce has started simmering. I'm gonna add some salt. This is about 1 teaspoon salt. Give it another quick stir and allow it to cook. My sauce has reduced down to the perfect consistency I want. As you can see, everything is like disappeared. It was like almost this level and now it's like nothing. So this is perfect. The last ingredient I'm gonna add is my red bell peppers. So I already chopped it. Give it a quick stir. This doesn't take a lot of time to cook, just minutes. You can even eat it raw, so I always put it in last just to add some color and some flavor. Almost ready, just turning off the heat and I can't wait to start plating. My favorite part, plating. Okay, I'm starting with my sauce. So I'm just gonna scoop a good amount of coconut sauce and just pour it in my plate. Okay, that's it. Some more sauce. Perfect. Okay, great. My platings are very simple but gorgeous. Okay, I'm plating my salmon here like that, and I'm just gonna grab some fresh chives. I actually want the sizes to be almost equal. Imperfections are very good when it comes to plating as well. So I'm just gonna carefully place it here. Then just carefully place my charred chili on it, and voila, there you have it, my spicy coconut salmon. Isn't it gorgeous?